When it comes to skincare, men have traditionally kept it simple. However, more men are now pursuing healthier, younger-looking skin. To help men develop healthy skincare routines, dermatologists recommend the following tips. Before developing your skincare routine, identify your skin type. Sensitive skin may sting or burn after certain product use. Normal skin is clear and not sensitive. Dry skin is flaky, itchy, or rough. Oily skin is shiny and greasy. Combination skin is dry in some areas and oily in others. Understanding your skin type will help you learn how to care for your skin and select skincare products that are right for you. Consider product labels and ingredients. The skincare products you choose will depend on your skin type. If you have acne-prone skin, look for cleansers and moisturizers that say oil-free or non-comedogenic, as these won't clog your pores. If you have sensitive skin, use mild, fragrance-free products. Products containing fragrances can leave skin feeling irritated and dry. You should also beware of products labeled unscented, as many of these contain masking fragrances that can still irritate your skin. Wash your face daily and after exercise. Use a mild cleanser to wash your face. Since regular bar soap often contains harsh ingredients that can be drying to skin, wash your face with a mild facial cleanser and lukewarm, not hot water. Watch your shaving technique. For some men, multi-blade razors can work too well or shave too closely to your skin. If you often experience razor bumps, razor burns, or ingrown hairs, use a single or two-blade razor instead, and do not stretch your skin taut while shaving. Before you shave, wet your skin and hair to soften it. Use a moisturizing shaving cream and shave in the direction of hair growth. Rinse after each swipe of the razor and change your blade after 5 to 7 shaves to minimize irritation. Moisturize daily. Moisturizer works by trapping water in your skin, which can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and make your skin look brighter and younger. For the best results, apply moisturizer to your face and body immediately after bathing, showering, or shaving while the skin is still damp. Check your skin regularly. New spots or moles that itch, bleed, or change color are often early warning signs of skin cancer. If you notice any suspicious spots, make an appointment to see a dermatologist. Men over age 50 have a higher risk of developing melanoma, the deadliest form of skin cancer, than the general population. However, when caught early, skin cancer, including melanoma, is highly treatable. To help prevent skin damage that can lead to wrinkles, age spots, and even skin cancer, before going outdoors, apply sunscreen to all exposed areas of skin, including your scalp, ears, neck, and lips. For best protection, use a broad-spectrum, water-resistant sunscreen with a SPF of 30 or higher. Remember to reapply sunscreen every 2 hours or immediately after swimming or sweating. You can also protect your skin by seeking shade and wearing protective clothing, including sunglasses that have UV protection and wide-brimmed hats.